Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics Crypto. In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to send USDT from Bitmart to Binance. First of all, you need to log into your Bitmart account. Then you need to go to the assets on the top right, go to the spot account where you have your USDT balance. On the right side of the USDT, you need to click withdraw. Then you need to select the first option. We are using the crypto network. And let's select the network. So I suggest you to use BIP20 network. It's the fastest method and also it has got the lowest fees. Now let's go to the Binance and find our USDT BIP20 wallet address. Go to the wallet on the top right, go to the spot account. In this list, we need to find USDT. If you can't find it, you can use the search. Type USDT inside the search bar and click these three dots on the right and click deposit. Select the network, in this case BIP20, and copy the wallet address. Go back to Bitmart and paste the wallet address inside this gap. Now you need to enter the amount of USDT you're going to send, for example 10. And as you can see guys, fee is fixed. You will get 9 USDT and the fee will be 1. It doesn't matter if you send 1000, the fee will be the same guys, only 1 USDT. You need to click withdraw now, finalize the transaction, and in maximum 2 or 3 minutes you can check your balance on Binance. To check your balance, go to the wallet again, go to the spot account, and on this page you will find your USDT balance. That's all I wanted to show you. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.